During the pandemic, many people learned new skills or started new hobbies. For instance, I did a lot more cooking. Well, a pair of brothers at the Incarnate Word Academy learned a skill that not only helped their fellow classmates, but could also give them a jumpstart on their careers. Liam and Colin have always been fascinated with how computers work, and they are this week's A+ award recipients. Liam and Colin had watched many hours of YouTube videos that introduced them to building and repairing computers and laptops. The opportunity for hands-on application came when the brothers participated in an after-school technology program called How to Build and Troubleshoot a Computer at their elementary school, Incarnate Word Academy. In this program, the students took apart and rebuilt desktop computers. The brothers were able to learn new skills and apply what they had learned previously from the online videos. Liam and Colin were so engaged in building computers, it was so exciting to see. The club sponsor and Incarnate Word technology teacher, Mrs. Micheli, told us. Liam and Colin told us that they were surprised how simple the devices were, and they were confident that they could fix some of the broken Chromebooks. They were motivated to lend a helping hand to their teachers and students. Colin focused on diagnosing and logging Chromebook issues into a spreadsheet while Liam concentrated on repairing the broken Chromebooks. Mrs. Micheli has told us that more than 50 Chromebooks have been diagnosed and more than half have been repaired and put back into service. The tech team continues to expand and train new members this school year. Liam is currently a 9th grader at Holy Name High School in Parma, and Colin is currently a 6th grader at Incarnate Word. This season's first A+ award goes to Colin and Liam for being a key part of this pilot program that helps to keep their school's Chromebooks working. Each week we give a shout out to one of you for your awesome work. So teachers, to have your students in class featured in an A+ segment, email your nominations to newsdepth@ideastream.org.